Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to change your desktop background in Windows 10. A customized desktop can make your workspace feel fresh and more inspiring. But if you're unsure how to do it or can't find the right settings, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you to change your desktop background step by step. So let's get started. Method 1. Using Windows settings. Right-click anywhere on your desktop and select Personalize. In the Settings window, click on Background from the left sidebar. Under the Background section, click on the drop-down menu and select Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. If you choose Picture, click Browse, select an image, and click Choose Picture. If you choose Solid Color, pick a color from the given options. If you choose Slideshow, click Browse, select a folder with multiple images, and adjust the slideshow settings. Close the Settings window, and your new background is applied. Method 2. Directly from an image file. Open the folder containing the image you want to set as your wallpaper. Right-click on the image. Click Set as Desktop Background. The image is instantly applied as your new wallpaper. Method 3. Using File Explorer. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder containing your preferred image. Select the image file. Click the Picture Tools tab at the top. Click Set as Background in the toolbar. Your wallpaper is updated instantly. Changing your wallpaper in Windows 10 is that simple. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.